Today we're going to learn how to play a game called Round It. So there are two versions to this game. In this first version, we're going to be rounding to the nearest 10. So you will need, for this version, 3 dice. So we'll roll a dice, and we will make a 3-digit number. So here my 3-digit number is 468. So I need to round that to the nearest 10. So it will either be 460 or 470. Because the 8 is 5 or greater, I'm going to round it to 470. So I take my bingo chip and place it on the 470 here. Now my partner would have a turn to roll the dice. Let's say my partner rolled 857. So here we'd either be rounding to 850 or rounding up to 860. Because the ones place has 7 ones, that's 5 or greater, so I'm going to round up to 860. So my partner would put theirs on 860. Now in this game, your goal will be to get a certain number in a row. So you could start by playing 4 in a row. You'd try to get 4 of these in a row. You could decide to play a couple of ways if you end up rolling a number that has already been played. So let's say I roll 860, either you could play it that you lose that turn, or you could play that you get to put your piece on top of your own, or you get to bump someone else's off. You can choose how to play the game. If you are going to play rounding to the nearest 100, the game board looks like this, and instead of using 3 dice, you'll need to use 4 dice so that you have 4 digits to make a number. So here, let's say I've rolled 8,906, I'm rounding to the nearest 100. So either I'm going to round down to 8,900 or I'm going to round up to 9,000. So in this number here, I see that I have 0 tens, so I'm going to round down to 8,900. I'd put my piece on 8,900, and then my partner would get to have their turn. Have fun playing!